Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia and thank you for clicking on this video. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel for amazing content. So without saying much, let's just get into this video. So I'm just parting my hair into sections before I do my cornrows to make it easier for me. So I'm starting out with this section and I already did a cornrow all the way down, but for the rest of the cornrows I'm just going to do them halfway, then make where I want my parting, and I'll just show you how I did it. So guys, I like styling, or rather parting my hair on the right hand side, but if you do both, you can repeat this process that I'm going to do on the front part of your hair so that you can have different places where you style your hair after crocheting.
I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down.
So after doing that cornrow, I'm just going to join it with the other one that I plaited halfway. And I'll just repeat the same step on the part where I want my parting to be.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs.
So I'll just join the two cornrows and that's where I'll have my parting. So for the rest of my hair, I'll just do normal cornrows. And guys, I think I'll just do a detailed tutorial on how to do cornrows for this kind of hairstyle, because I lost the one that I did. So far this is what I have. I use those straws to calm the braiding hair that I'm using, and if you want to know how to do this process in details, guys, just go and watch that video, and I think I'll just link it in the description box. So I did part of my hair, and to crochet your hair, just make sure that you cut the ends of the braiding hair, then pass your hands through to make sure it doesn't tangle. So I'm just going to pass my hook and make sure it's open. Then after that, just twist the braiding hair and make a loop with it. Always make sure you twist to avoid any excess hair. After that, close the hook, then pass the braiding hair through your cornrow. You're going to twist the loop, then pass it through the other braiding hair, the whole of it. And you can repeat that process of twisting the loop and passing it through the braiding hair once or twice or thrice, as long as you are contented that the knot is going to be strong, guys. And you can see it's a simple process. I doubt if there's need to explain further, but for the part where I parted my hair on the right side, it's a different method, totally different. So keep watching to know how I did the front part, and for now I'll just let you all watch.
I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true.
So at that front section, you can see I'm going in with the very tiny piece of hair. You don't want to use a lot of hair at the front part. So I'm just going in with the tiny piece of hair, and it's just the same process, guys.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away.
So I'm just crocheting the front part of my hair, and it's the same process, but for this one I'm only going to pass one strand of hair through the loop. So you can see I'm just twisting the loop, then I'll just take one strand of hair, then pass it through, then twist the loop again, or the number of times you want, as long as you're sure it's secure. So this method is going to help hide the cornrow where you want your parting to be, and I'll just show you the end results, but for now I'll just repeat the same process and let you watch. And don't forget to go with small sections of hair at the front part.
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like.
So I'm just repeating the same step on the other side, and after that I'll just show you how the parting looks like.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
So that's it, guys, and you can see that method hides the cornrow. So after that I'm just going to apply my moisturizer, and I'm just going to pass my hand through the hair. Then after that I'll just trim it because this was too much hair for me, but if you like you can wear it like this. So that's how you trim your hair, guys. You cut it, then just scrape it. Don't just cut the hair bluntly, it looks basic. While doing this process, make sure you are cutting and stretching the hair out to get the desired length that you want. So I'll just go do my makeup, then I'll be back. So this is it, guys. I love how this look came out. And if you like the video and you've watched the video until this part, please comment with the love emoji, and I'll just see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm falling, the cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.